So no, I don't think this is. I think it's just spinning, but we're gonna take care of this in a second. So let's see if it's actually working or not, because we don't want to waste no time on it. So see if this is working or not. Yeah, actually it was going in. So this is number 10. This is the one that goes right here. Like I said, be careful, do not lose this thing, because you don't want no issues with it. So number 10, that's it. And we're gonna move forward. So do this by hand. It has to be really tight. Yeah, that's it. If you're wondering what is this for, this is for the other part that goes right here. I want to show you how to do that, but just gotta be patient. So this other thing is the one that goes right over here. It goes right over here. It goes right here. Yeah. And then we got another part. This part goes over here. And this is a number 10 also. You gotta find it, because yeah, this one right here. Make sure you don't lose anything, because you don't want to lose anything. So this is number 10. Alright, so you got that. And like I said, there is another one. It's not this one, or it is, I don't remember. So I think this goes like so. You put this in, then you put this on,